This is the former Lewes, Delaware, Maryland, and Virginia Railroad swing bridge. This is a hand-operated swing bridge, and this bridge was built in 1916, and the bridge was recently removed. It's a bobtail deck plate girder swing bridge, and it was closed in 2016, abandoned in 2017, and then it was owned by the Delaware Coastline Railroad, and it crosses the intercoastal waterway or the Lewes and Rough Canal in Lewes, Delaware. So, uh, so it was hand operated, you know, and hand powered swing bridge. Understand? And when with two or few people crank the bridge open and they crank it back closed, you know, they hand crank it open for boats and ships, and then power hand crank back to its closed position for train traffic. So, and and this bridge is gone. They have removed it, and it's a green railroad bridge. Then you got the railings on it. So it's located in Lewes, Delaware.